How can I fix flickering LED ceiling lights?
Hello, everyone. Today we are going to tackle a common household issue: flickering LED ceiling lights. Flickering lights can be annoying, distracting, and even harmful for your eyes. But don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll show you a step-by-step process to diagnose and fix this problem.
Why do LED ceiling lights flicker?
Understanding the problem is the first step to a solution. LED lights flicker due to a handful of reasons. Mismatched dimmer switch. Not all LED lights are compatible with conventional dimmer switches. If you're using a traditional dimmer with LEDs, it might cause your lights to flicker. Loose electrical connections. Any loose connection within the light fixture or at the power source can cause the LED light to flicker. Voltage fluctuation. If your home's voltage fluctuates significantly, it could make your LED lights flicker.
How to diagnose the problem?
Now that we understand the potential causes, let's go ahead and diagnose the issue. 1. Check the dimmer switch. If your LED lights are connected to a dimmer switch, try adjusting the light level. If the flickering changes or stops, the issue may be with the dimmer. 2. Test the LED light. Try replacing the flickering LED light with a new one. If the new light works perfectly, your old LED might be defective. 3. Inspect for loose connections. Safely inspect the wiring for any loose connections. Always turn off the power before doing so to avoid any electrical accidents.
How to fix flickering LED ceiling lights?
Once we've found the problem, it's time to fix it. 1. Replace the dimmer switch. If the dimmer switch is causing the problem, consider replacing it with an LED-compatible dimmer switch. 2. Fix the loose connections. Tighten any loose connections you find. If you're uncomfortable doing this, consider hiring a professional electrician. 3. Stabilize the voltage. If voltage fluctuation is causing the flickering, consider using voltage-stabilizing products. There you have it. You now know how to diagnose and fix a flickering LED ceiling light. We hope this guide was helpful. Remember, safety is paramount. If you're unsure about any of the steps, don't hesitate to reach out to a professional. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.